Glory be to God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, everybody. It's a beautiful day. It's the beauty of the day. Monday to everybody. Happy Monday to everybody. Thank you so much. And my name is Alex, and I work with Donewell Group. We specialize in insurance, financial service, and medical supply. So, in case you are looking for any kind of insurance, I will be glad to assist you with that. We can assist you with your auto insurance, your home insurance, your business, your life or health insurance. We can assist you with that. The beauty part of Donewell Group is that we are insurance broker. That means we have a lot of carriers that will be able to shop for the right coverage at affordable price for you. So in case you are looking for any kind of insurance, your auto insurance, your home insurance, your business insurance, your trucking insurance, your life or health insurance, we'll be glad to assist you with that. We have a lot of carriers. We have a lot of carriers that will be able to shop for the right coverage for you. All right. So if you're looking for any kind of insurance, don't go anywhere. Just call Donewell Group, and our phone number is 678-882-0907. I will be glad to assist you with that. Before we continue with our today's discussion, let's listen to one of the jangles from the business, and I'll get back with you, and I'll be able to discuss what we have for you today. Thank you so much, and don't go anywhere.
Welcome to Donewell Group. Here at Donewell, we are committed to serving your every financial freedom need. Our mission is setting you on the path of financial freedom, and we work diligently with you on your plans and goal. Feel free to call me at 678-882-0907.
Our clients and serving their insurance needs by protecting them, their families, and their assets. Whether you're shopping for auto, motorcycle, boat, home, health, life, or business insurance, we compare rates to get you the best coverage at the lowest prices. Insurance made easy. Call 678-882-0907 or visit dunwellgroup.net/insurance. We'll save you money.
All right. Thank you so much. Coming up once again, like I said, happy Monday to everybody. It's the beauty part of the week for starting the week well. Starting your week well with your financial literature, financial savings, that you'll be able to make a lot of savings, and it's a good news. All right. Thank you so much for listening to the sound of my voice. God richly bless everyone, and God richly bless my book of business, my customers. Thank you so much. It's because of you that we are still in business. So thank you so much. Continue to refer your friends and family to Donewell Group in case anybody is looking for insurance. Please, please, please refer that person to us. Our phone number is 678-882-0907. We are insurance broker. We'll be able to shop for the right coverage at affordable price for your friend and family. So please continue to refer your friends and family to us. All right. Thank you so much. My book of business, and then our potential client, those who have contacted us in one way or the other that we're not able to sell our insurance product to you, please come back. Please come back. I'll be able to assist you with that. All right. And then those by one way or the other, you are your policy has been lapsed or your policy has been canceled, please come back to Donewell Group and we'll be able to assist you with that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Today, I would like us to discuss something important. I've been this insurance industry for a very long time, and I've come in contact with a lot of clients. I've come in contact with people struggle to understand what the insurance is all about. Today, I'm going to limit myself and talk about your auto insurance. Everybody have a vehicle, and it's mandatory to have insurance. And some of the things are very difficult to understand. I'm here to discuss some of the few topics with you. So today, I would like to talk about some of the mistakes or the common mistakes that we do when we are buying our auto insurance. Some of the mistakes that we do when we are buying our auto insurance. All right. I know it's a very exciting. It's a good topic to talk about. It's a good topic to talk about, and I also put a little blame on the agent who is selling the insurance to the client. Some of the time, we don't take the time to explain the coverage. We don't take our time to tell the client the pros and cons of whatever they are buying. So agent, we take some blame. We take some blame. And also the client, because he doesn't know much about the insurance, sometimes they go with anything that the agent will sell. All right. So today I would like us to expose some of the things, some of the mistakes that we do when we are buying auto insurance. And I know it's going to be a very helpful topic for someone. It's going to be a very good information for someone. So when you are buying your insurance, please be aware of these few things that I'm about to talk about. In case you are looking for any kind of insurance, please contact Donewell Group and we'll be able to assist you to get the right coverage at an affordable price. All right. So first, let's talk about some of the mistakes that we do when we are buying our car insurance. First, I will talk about the client not knowing the kind of coverage that they need. The client doesn't know the kind of coverage that they need. So it left with the agent to be able to explain the insurance and the kind of coverage that the client is buying. So if you don't know the coverage or the plan that you are buying, anything that an agent offer you, you welcome it, which is one of the biggest mistakes. All right. So it is left with the agent to expose you to so many topics, so many coverage, so that you may decide what kind of coverage that you need. Because somebody who doesn't need excess coverage doesn't need to buy that much. There are some coverage that we don't need. There are some coverage that we need the most. So we buy what we need the most, and then we minimize the coverage that we don't need the most. All right. So it's left with the agent to explain to you the kind of coverage that you need. If you buy too much of coverage, that means you are buying so much that you don't need it. All right. You are buying so much that you don't need it. And then also, if you buy less, that means you are buying just a little on the things that you need the most. All right. So please, when you are buying your auto insurance, do a little bit of analysis and find out what you need, what you need. And it's going to be very, very important to you, especially in the state of Georgia. And as I speak from the state of Georgia, there are some coverage that is mandatory for you to have, especially the liability coverage. Yes, we are supposed to have the liability coverage on our auto insurance, but the coverage is kind of minimal. It's kind of little. When they passed the law for the minimum state liability limit, it was a long time ago. But nowadays, we have a luxury vehicles on our streets. Things are very, very expensive. Claims are very, very expensive. What can you do? You still need the minimum liability coverage. You still need the state liability coverage. It's not necessarily that way. So when you assess whatever you need, realize that you need more than the state minimum liability coverage. All right. So these are some of the things that an insurance agent should discuss with you before you are buying your auto insurance. In case you are looking for any kind of insurance, please call Donewell Group. We will be able to assist you to let you understand the coverage that you are buying and also able to shop for the right coverage and affordable price for you. In case you are looking for us, call us at the office number 678-882-0907. So the first thing that I talk about is the kind of coverage that you need. The kind of coverage that you need. All right. So do a little bit and analyze on what kind of coverage that you need before you buy your auto insurance. All right. Then the second mistake that we always commit, or sometimes we commit, is the false information that we put on our application. All right. The false information or the fake information that we put on our application. Because we are all shopping for price, because an agent wanted to sell to you they put in a lot of false information, or the client doesn't give us the accurate information for the agent to fill out the application. This is very, very important, because you are buying something. Whatever that information that you put in the application, that is what the insurance company is going to hold on it. It's a legal binding document that you are buying. And therefore, when you put in a false information and anything happens, the insurance company will decide on whatever is on application before they pay off the claim. So please put in the correct information and let the insurance agent shop for the right coverage for you. All right, don't cut edges because you want affordable price. I've come in contact with a lot of clients that they don't tell us the right information. They don't. All they are looking for is the cheapest price, which I understand it. But it is very, very important that you give the agent the right information so that the agent will be able to shop for the right price and affordable coverage for you. It is better to give the agent the right information. Let me give you an example. You may have a teenager in your house who drives your vehicle. If you don't put that teenager on their application and the teenager drives the vehicle and anything happens, you put yourself into blame. You put yourself into blame. The insurance company is not going to pay because the teenager is not on your coverage. And that's why most of the time, the insurance company don't pay claims, or they pay the minimum claims. All right. So let's try to put in the right information when we are buying our auto insurance. Another example is that you are married and you are buying auto insurance. And on the application, they put a single because you don't want to put your spouse on the policy. You are putting the false information. All right. So in case the other spouse have a claim, what else do you want the insurance company to do? They are going to have a lot of discussion with you. And that is some of the things that our insurance rates keep on going high, because we don't give the right information. Or that is some of the reason why our claims are not paid off, because we don't give the right information. Or because these are some of the things that affect the insurance company, that people don't pay the accurate price of whatever coverage that they are buying. So please, at our own best of knowledge, let's give the right information when we are buying our auto insurance. All right. And then one thing I also say is that in case you don't understand anything of insurance, talk to the broker. You can call me at the office number 678-882-0907. Our office is located at the city of Duluth. All right. And address is 3631 Peachtree Industrial Boulevard, Suite 105, Duluth, Georgia 30096. In case you'd like to contact us on the email, it's info@donewellgroup.com. You can go to our website, which is www.donewellgroup.net, and we'll be able to assist you with that. All right. So we talk about not knowing the kind of coverage that you need. Try to do some basic analysis of the kind of coverage that you need. And then the second one we talk about is giving out a false information when you are buying auto insurance. So please, let's do our best to give the correct information so that we'll be able to shop for the right coverage at affordable price for you. All right. The third one, I will talk about the common mistakes that we do when we are buying auto insurance. The third one we'll talk about is not comparing rates. Not comparing rates. All right. So as a client and you are buying auto insurance, it is very, very important to compare rates. All right. Second opinion doesn't change anything. It doesn't change your bank account. It doesn't change your credit. So get a quote, get a multiple of quotes, and able to compare rates. When you are comparing rates, you are not just only comparing the rate. You are not just comparing only the price. Compare the coverage that you are buying, and then also look for the price. All right. Many a times we are looking for the cheapest one, which I understand it, but also look into the coverage that you are buying. All right. So please try to compare rates. That is why we are insurance broker. We have a lot of careers. So in case you are looking for any kind of insurance, please call Donewell Group, and our office number is 882-0907, and we'll be glad to assist you with that. All right, so it's very, very important to compare rates when you are buying auto insurance. If you don't compare rate, it may happen that you may buy a higher price somewhere else. All right, then let's talk about the 4 mistakes that we do when we are buying auto insurance. Now, what I'll talk about is overlooking gap insurance. Overlooking gap insurance. All right. So in case you have you are buying auto insurance and your vehicle is being financed, or your vehicle is a lease, in case you are paying car note on the vehicle, it is very, very important to buy a gap insurance. All right, very, very important to buy gap insurance. Gap insurance pay for the difference between the value of the loan and then the appraisal value of the vehicle. You know that anytime you take the vehicle out of the loan, price changes, depreciation comes. So it is very, very important to buy gap insurance, that in case of anything happen, you have an accident and the vehicle is completely lost, total loss, the insurance company or the gap coverage will be able to pay for the difference between the loan value and then the value of the vehicle at the time of loss. So please, in case your vehicle is being financed, in case you are paying a car note on it, take a second opinion and buy gap insurance. It's going to save you money, a lot of money. In case you need more understanding on this, please call the office number 678-882-0907, and we'll be glad to assist you with that. We have a lot of professional licensed agents at the office. They'll be able to sit down with you and then discuss with you the kind of coverage that you need and then the affordable price. Call the office number 678-882-0907, and we'll be glad to assist you with that. And then the 5th one, I will talk about the common mistakes that we do when we are buying auto insurance is buying rates required or minimum required by the state. Buying rates required by the state. All right, like I said earlier on, when they passed the law for the state minimum liability coverage, it was a long time ago. It was a long time ago. Now the market value have changed. Price have increased each and every day. Inflation is affecting the market trend. So in case you are buying only the minimum liability coverage by the state, you are under looking your insurance coverage. In the state of Georgia, I know it is 25 per person and then 50 per accident when you are buying your auto insurance. All right. So we know there's a lot of value of vehicles on the market, which goes more than 25,000. And then also you don't know the kind of claim that will come. You may damage somebody's vehicle, you may damage somebody's property, and the lawsuit and the value of things have changed. So if you are buying the minimum state requirement, you are buying less. I know price is a very, very important factor when you are buying your auto insurance, but also we should look for the coverage that we are buying. I will always advise that you buy a little bit more than the state minimum coverage. All right, buy a little bit more than the state minimum coverage. It's going to help you. It's going to help you to save a lot of money in case anything happens. All right, in case you need more understanding, please call the office, Donewell Group. Call the office number 678-882-0907. All right, and then we'll be glad to assist you with that. And then the 6th one I will talk about, where the common mistakes that we do when we are buying auto insurance is, let me say, neglecting to add a teenager driver or a teen driver on your coverage. Like I said earlier on, if you don't add the teen driver on your coverage, I know it's very, very expensive when you are adding your teen child or a teen driver to your coverage. I know it's very, very expensive. But if you neglect to do that, it's going to cost you a lot. If you neglect to add your teen child to the policy and anything happen, it's going to cost you a lot. So it's better you pay the higher premium now to save you from any cost or damage that will come in case a teenager who is not on the policy drive your vehicle and anything happen. All right. So please, let's take a look into that. We are trying to save money. We are trying to cut edges, but it's also important to be very, very smart, or very, very, let me put this well, not neglect little things. It's going to cost you a lot. It's going to cost you a lot. So please, if you have a teen driver in the household, take the bullet now and add that thing to your policy. We know this thing, they drive very, very aggressively. It's a heartbreaking. So please, let's take the bullet now by adding the teen driver to the policy. It's going to save us a lot. Don't do such that mistakes, and had I know, it's always at last. All right. You need any more understanding or any coverage, please call the office number 678-882-0907. And I have the last one. Before that, let's take a pause and listen to the jungle, and I'll come back with you and we'll talk about the last topic of some of the common mistakes that we do when we are buying our auto insurance. All right, I'll reserve the last one, and last one always the best. Let me reserve that one, and let's listen to the jungle, and I'll come back with you. My name is Alex. I'm insurance agent. I can assist you with all kinds of insurance, being your auto, your home, your business, your life health, or health insurance. I can assist you with that. Let's listen to that, and I'll come back and talk about the last one to wrap it up, and then we'll have a better week. Thank you so much. Don't go anywhere. Still hold on.
Our clients and serving their insurance needs by protecting them, their families, and their assets. Whether you're shopping for auto, motorcycle, boat, home, health, life, or business insurance, we compare rates to get you the best coverage at the lowest prices. Insurance made easy. Call 678-882-0907 or visit donewellgroup.net/insurance. We'll save you money.
All right. Thank you so much for being here with me. I know it's Monday. It's a busy schedule. But taking time to listen to me on this social media platform, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. We are talking about the common mistakes that we do when we are buying auto insurance. And I've already laid down 6 things that we do when we are buying our auto insurance. First, I talk about not knowing the kind of coverage that you are buying. Not knowing the kind of coverage that you are buying. So it led with you to discuss that with the agent, or the agent will explain to you the coverage that you are buying. And then the second one that we talk about is providing false information on their application. Providing false information on the application is the biggest mistakes that we always do. Please give the correct information when you are buying auto insurance. And then the third one we talk about is not comparing rates. Not comparing rates. All right. So when you are buying auto insurance, get a multiple of quotes. You know, second opinion doesn't change anything. It will rather help you to be able to know what you are buying. That is why we start as an advantage as an insurance broker, and we have a lot of careers. So we'll be able to shop for the right coverage at an affordable price for you. So in case you are looking for any kind of insurance, contact us first, and we'll be able to give you a multiple quote for you to get the coverage that you are buying. And then the fourth one that we talk about is overlooking gap insurance. In case you want to buy an auto insurance and you are paying car note or the vehicle is being financed, it is always important to buy the gap insurance. The gap insurance pays for the difference between the loan that you have on the vehicle and then the value of the vehicle. You know, the value of the vehicle keep on depreciating every single moment. So the loan may be higher than the value of the vehicle. So if you have the gap insurance, it will pay off the difference. So please, if you are paying a car note or financing a vehicle, please try to get the gap insurance. And then the fifth one we talk about is buying the state required minimum coverage. It's something that is bothering a lot of people when you are filing a claim. The state minimum liability coverage is that the minimum. You know, it doesn't cover a lot. It doesn't cover a lot. when they passed the law of the state minimum liability coverage, that was a long time ago, but now price have changed, price have increased. So please try to buy more than the state minimum liability coverage. And then we also talk about neglecting to add a teen driver to your policy. In case you have a teen driver in your household, please add them to your policy. It is very important to take the bullet right now before something else happens. When a teen is driving the vehicle and something happens and it's not on your policy, please, it's going to disturb you a lot. It's going to cost you a lot. The insurance company may refuse to pay for the claim. So please add the teen driver to the policy when you are buying your car insurance. And then the seventh one that I preserve to talk about now is, we all try to cut edges. We all try to get a minimum price. We all try to pay for the cheapest price. But also, when we are not buying adequate coverage for the sake of getting the low cost, is sometimes disturbing. If you are not buying the adequate coverage because you are looking for the lowest price, something is missing. It's going to cost you a lot. Let me give you an example that if you don't buy, let me give the easy one. If you don't buy roadside assistance on your auto insurance, you have one vehicle. You have one vehicle in the household, and you drive more than 45 an hour to work, and you don't buy the roadside assistance coverage, because of price. You want to minimize your cost, and you don't buy the roadside assistance, and something happened. Your car broke down on the highway. What are you going to do? Now you're going to call for the tow driver to come and tow it for you. Because you don't have any vehicle at home, you rather use an Uber, you rather go and rent a vehicle, and all those things will cost you a lot. But rather, if you add the roadside assistance to your coverage, it will save you a lot of money. The roadside assistance coverage, sometimes it's just about $5 increase on your monthly premium. All right. So in the 6 months, you may probably pay about $30 in the whole 6 months. But it's going to save you a lot of money. When the car is broke down on the highway, the tow driver will tow it to the nearby mechanic for you. You save about $100. You save about time. You save about inconvenience. All these things are some of the mistakes that we do when we are buying your auto insurance. I just talked about the roadside assistance. Let me talk about the major ones, like comprehensive or the collision coverage. If you don't buy that and something happens, you are digging out of your savings to be able to repair your vehicle. So please, when we are buying auto insurance, we should look out for these common mistakes that we do that do not help us in our auto insurance coverage. In case you are looking for any kind of insurance, we'll be glad to assist you. Call the office number 678-882-0907. We are insurance broker. That means we have a lot of carriers that will be able to shop for the right coverage at an affordable price for you. My name is Alex. I'll be glad to assist you every single time and moment. All right. Thank you so much for listening to me. And then I will come your way probably tomorrow to share with you some of the other things that bother us when we are buying our auto insurance. Thank you so much. Enjoy your week. It is my heart desire that anything that you touch may be blessed. Anywhere that your feet may step or anywhere that you go may be blessed. Thank you so much. Let's listen to one of the jungle, and then thank you so much. In case you are looking for any kind of insurance, don't go anywhere. Call Donewell Group 678-882-0907. Thank you so much, and God richly bless you.
Welcome to Donewell Group. Here at Donewell, we are committed to serving your every financial freedom need. Our mission is setting you on the path of financial freedom, and we work diligently with you on your plans and goal. Feel free to call me at 678-882-0907.